guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chep and welcome to yet another video. So in today's video we are going to make some greens. This is sukuma wiki. We are going to fry them. Then here is our tomatoes. We are going to fry them with some tomatoes and onions, and then we are going to mix it with potatoes. So let's get to cooking, and then we'll eat with ugali. So here is our boiled potatoes. So we are going to fry the greens with the potatoes together. So I'm adding in some cooking oil. Then I will add in some onions. So our onions are ready. We are going to add the tomatoes. We add some salt to taste. Then we are going to allow our tomatoes to cook for a while. So here is where we add our potatoes in. So our greens is ready. So we are putting our water to cook ugali on the fire. So our water has boiled, so let's cook our ugali. So guys, our supper is ready. So here we have our ugali, some avocado, and then here is our greens with some potatoes fried together. So our supper for today is ready. Thank you for watching until this end. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Mary Chep. See you on the next one. Bye.